Me catch my uncle, his wife, my brother, and my cousin in a threesome or RG or whatever that.
Trouble Turn Up TV. The struggle is real.
Nobody can cross it. It's only who understand it.
You don't know you don't know Trouble Turn Up TV. You don't know we have to burn out corruption, and you don't know we have to burn up things that is not of. You don't know the Most High God. So yes, if you're not a subscriber to Trouble Turn Up TV, please like, share, and subscribe. Share it to your friend. You don't know, tell your father, your mother, your papa, everybody. Tell your friends. Yeah, man. So guys, right here on the screen, you can see this young lady. And if you look right in the corner, you'll see Chris. You don't know, Christmas will never be the same. As you see the intro, this not normal. As this young lady share her experience, what happened on Christmas Day. You don't know. She said her aunt, uncle, brother, cousin in a one compromising position doing what? I wouldn't say threesome, foursome. I don't know. But listen carefully as she share her experience. My God, what Jamaica turn into? Sodom and Gomorrah. You don't know. This is not right, so we're going to burn it out. Corruption, you don't know, to the highest level. Sit back and listen carefully, and then you leave your comment and let us know what you think and what this young lady should do about the situation. Ja, struggle is real.
Me catch my uncle, his wife, my brother, and my cousin in a threesome or RG or whatever that. So basically,
Lightning and thunder.
my uncle are there with my brother and his wife are there with our daughter, which is my cousin. I find out all of this one day before Christmas. So now, you know, at Christmas time, everybody a come over, and you know, everybody a go, once in a family oriented, when I go over the family with the person we have the biggest house, right? So everybody pack up, I would say we are going with uncle yard. At first, nobody not think nothing of it. That would have been last something by everybody mind. But you know what the craziest part? Everybody else knew about it, and me alone never know. So it come like me come from a family of nastiness. Like me I really wonder who I'm a family for true, like if me I really want daughter or me I want son, because them people are nasty, brother. Anyways, it happened when the day before Christmas, I know everybody are prepare everything. So everybody in the kitchen I try to give one helping, and because enough people, it would not even come like, it would have come like a family reunion, and so much food them cook. The more me even think about him one family, because yeah. Anyways, so everybody are help prepare up and whatever. Everybody don't know. Everybody are gonna wash up and everything. So you know, everybody in a city, I sit down and go and cool off. But remember me telling you, say it's a big house, so like 4 bathrooms and enough people. So you know, a good amount of people can bathe afterwards. So my uncle him now get up and say him I go bathe. His wife say she go, like you would say, Cynthia, come show me where, like clothes or whatever. Nobody not think nothing of it. Come here tell us say I can't see. Like nobody not think nothing of it, right? Then after the two of them gone up, my brother and my cousin said them gone be. Remember me tell us say 4 bathrooms, so nobody not think nothing of it. So me didn't know. Me I say, oh my uncle now. My uncle now come down bearded. So in my mind, probably you know him and his wife up there do or so. But 1 hour and now, and me I say, alright, me I get up because I want to go bed now. Remember I say 1 extra bathroom would have left over because my auntie not gone bed, you know. My auntie gone take out whatever she want to take out for sure, such man. And then my cousin and my brother would have gone bed. So 3 bathroom I use, so 1 bathroom left. So me say me I go bed because me did a wait for them to come back, but it don't look like nobody come back. When me I go up the stairs, like one man tell me say me if it take time go up the stairs, you know, like your instinct can tell you something. Like you feel it, but me not think nothing of it, you know. But me just listen to my mind that one time because my doping never wrong. So when me take time go up there quiet, remember say people fear bed, so you fear hear bathroom or people attack, and you that think say they done bed for them time them. It place quiet, it place quiet, it place quiet, it place quiet. When me go up there now, it's like me knock on the bathroom door. But they look like my brother did in that the bathroom door. The woman knock on the bathroom door, me not hear nobody. When me pull the door, it empty but it draw up. Me look for me knock the rest of the bathroom door, them and me a call, me not hear nobody. So till me a walk go towards my uncle and auntie room, me hear one bag of shuffling. When me hear it shuffling, me catch my cord now, so me a push the door quick after go in the room trap. Me dear, but couldn't like me say me can't believe it even at this. When me bust the door, now my uncle would that in my brother mouth. Me turn up so for a good 5 minutes. And you that things that they would have stopped. No? Me dear, the man a go up and down, He man not stop. The man them is not stopping. So me a run now, figure call my auntie and my cousin to this app. When me a box shuffle, look. When me look over the bed, down on the ground, and my auntie and my cousin run there cut scissors. I cut with scissors and me not talk scissors, me attack scissors, them I cut with scissors. So my stomach sick up on me now, so me say, what kind of nastiness this? Brother, me run go downstairs to go tell the whole family. So like, I would go down there and would say, what I see people them in there? If people them nah look for me, if people them look, kiss them teeth and start watch back the TV. So me I say, probably them not hear me. So like, me run go there now and me a shake and me I say, you not hear what me say? Sitting there round there so with... If people them don't look for me, then my granny she will walk up here now, she can shout out. What the backside you come here so create excitement for? We are create excitement for. I forgot make a part.
My girl, you better take away yourself from that family. If you don't want to be corrupt like the rest of them, take away yourself from that family immediately. Even your granny or be a worker, I hope these people are not in Jamaica. Because I'm telling you, Jamaica have enough more problem they need to solve. This one, normal. So a lot of this taking place in Jamaica, believe it or not. Yes, believe it or not. But it only takes one person to break silence. Jaja God, Jamaica needs some cleaning up. All these obia working family ram, Jano Star. If you want to see part 2, please subscribe. Leave a comment and say part 2, as the young lady said. She had to do a part 2. So I will take it upon myself to upload part 2 on this channel so you can see exactly and hear what the young lady is saying. Jamaica land we love.
Trouble Turn Up TV. The struggle is real.